There's a thing called the American dream. Now, there's a thing called the Lagos dream. Lagos is a noisy place, but there are those who dare to dream amidst the noise. This is how the dream started. This is how the dream is going. And this is how the dream will be in less than 5 years.
Like every dream, there's a place where it all happens. Bulverton Estate Epe is the place of the Lagos dream. Welcome to the Lagos dream. Welcome to Bulverton Estate Epe, the city of the Lagos dream. The Lagos dream is a life of class, calm, serenity, smooth drive, security, smart homes, and uninterrupted amenities for productivity. Everything that the Bulverton Estate Epe offers you. There's a popular saying in Lagos, shine your eyes. Shine your eyes, oh! Epe is on the rise of becoming the jewel of Lagos. Contact us today to help you make your Lagos dream come to life. Reserve your own exclusive spot in the Bulverton Estate. Bulverton Estate, where dreams come to life.